Good morning. Today is the day I get my hair back. Okay, so this is what the hair system looked like when we first took it out of the packaging and threw it on a mannequin head. And here is my friend performing a very important and pivotal part of the process of a hair system, cutting the hairline. So she's going in and cutting that excess poly material off the front to ensure that I have completely seamless hairline for my piece, and she did a great job. This is the moment that I knew I could not turn back, and I was so excited and scared in this moment, and you will be too, but I promise you it'll end up okay. If you're wondering, that little line on my forehead is where my hairline is going to be. So this is me getting my template done and fitted to my hair, and y'all, I looked crazy. And here's my friend doing the tape portion of the template. And if you're interested in learning more about how to make a template, I know for a fact there are plenty of videos on this channel to help you with that. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's getting real. My friend is about to take a knife to my system. Here is my friend putting some Ghost Bond glue on my system, and it's so beautiful, isn't it? It's so pretty, and I love it. Here we go, y'all. Ooh, look how satisfying that is. But I do look very excited, and the Ghost Bond works so well. And here's a quick little clip of showing you guys what Ghost Bond looks like once it's fully dried. It should be clear. Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. The application, and I was so excited about this, and my friend did a fantastic job. She's rolling that on, making sure the seal is really tight, and yeah, she's great at this. And this is what it looked like before I got it cut. I looked like a rock and roll star. And